credit for other people's success also.
Oh, I'm sure. But थोड़ा चंडीगढ़ में चलता है. I don't know in Hyderabad. चलता है. Does it work here? I can't hear anyone.
नहीं? हैदराबाद में लोग टैलेंट को, अरे आप लोग क्या टैलेंटेड एक्टर्स के लिए ताली वाली नहीं बजाते?
Yeah, that's my favorite.
So of course I told you about कि मैं कैसा था बचपन में. आप कैसी थी बचपन में? आप शरारती थी?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं. I think मैं इस लॉर्ड जैसी थी. बिल्कुल बहुत quiet, बहुत reserved. और okay, now let's start it on. So in fact, when I was just standing backstage, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था I just come back to my school days where I used to be sitting right somewhere there, maybe not so behind, a little ahead. And I was one of those typical, very quiet, reserved, obedient kind of a child, and used to just you could never thought I could have the confidence to speak at a podium also. I remember first time, I'm sharing my failure stories in front of such talented kids. First time I ever faced the stage just to recite a simple poem. I froze when I saw everybody and I ran away.
Do you remember the poem?
I loved science, I loved law. In fact, I was pursuing honors in law. And I don't know how from books to action, it just, the whole action happens. So,
आपकी किस्मत थी कि आप दुनिया को entertain करें and you landed in just the right place. And I'm so glad that we get to watch you on screen. It's so delightful.
Thank you, Shruti. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Yami. And actually, okay, we have a...
भैया हाथ जरा जोड़ के. Friends, who can forget this picture? My association with Mr. India brought me near children. उसमें इतने सारे बच्चे थे and I was associate director of the film also. So I had to handle all these kids and they were so lovely, and those kids have become very well-known people. Ahmed Khan, he has become very, very big choreographer and a director, and there is a lot of other people, people are there who have become really got a big status, So today is 14th November, Children's Day, and I think my school Chalega kids, both of them, they are so good and they really did such a good job, and I think it is the greatest day for them to actually have this opening film here. It was School Chalega was an opening film, and for them I think it is the biggest gift for them to stand on stage with School Chalega on 14th of November on Children's Day, and which is a great honor because of CFSI that we made this film, and we're really proud of the fact that we made this film for CFSI. बच्चे पिक्चरें देखते हैं जब हम when we see films about children, we learn a lot. Children learn a lot, whether it is adventure, whether it is fun situation, whether it is relationship, whether it is relationship with animals, whether it is human relationships, or some kind of a good feel films. But I think there is child in everybody's heart. And that is the best thing. Why children,
Right.
So thank you, Hyderabad. I love Hyderabad.
Thank you,
and
sir.
I love you all. Thank you very much.
Andarki namaskaram. Hi everyone. Happy Children's Day. How are you all? Are you good? I'm so happy to be here. I'm so lucky. I feel like I want to say a big thank you to everyone. I was so excited to come here. In the morning I had the opportunity to spend time with some kids in a very precious school, in a very special school with very special kids just like all of you here. So it's really nice to be here.
Thank you, Shraddha. Gentlemen, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.